You're in a perfectly quiet room, then bam! Your stomach unleashes a monster growl. So embarrassing, it's not always hunger. Here's why your gut gets so loud. Hunger pangs. Of course. Contractions preparing for food, reacting to ghrelin. Digestion in action. Food and liquids moving through your intestines. Air and gas trapped. Swallowed air or gas from food fermentation. Liquid traffic. Water and other fluids gurgling through your system. Emotional reactions. Stress or anxiety can trigger gut spasms. Your stomach is always working, even when empty. Listen to its whispers, and maybe keep a small snack handy. What's your worst stomach rumble story? Share below.